basically, abandoned checkout is where your customers created a cart and actually fail to complete the checkout process, right? So whether their internet actually failed or their computers lagging, or they found out that the extra charges are too high for them to actually proceed to complete the checkout. Okay, so for whatever reason, they just did not buy from you, right? So all of these orders, all of these carts, we actually categorize them under abandoned checkouts, right? So under abandoned checkouts, what you can do is, of course, you can find those orders that your customers actually abandoned over here. It's a second tab under all orders, okay? As you can see over here, I have a list of abandoned checkouts and the email status is actually not sent, okay? And you can also see the recovery status is not recovered, right? So if your customers actually come back and complete the purchase, this status will mark as recovered, right? So what you can do about abandoned checkout is that once you click on one of it, you'll land on this page. What you can do is, over here is two options. The first one is to send the reminder itself, right? So once you click on this sending reminder, it will actually allow you to edit the template of the email that you're about to send your customers, right? So that's actually a tip on how you can actually do this. Is in this template, you can insert a promo code or a voucher code to actually prompt your customers to come back and purchase, complete the purchase even cheaper, right? So as you can see, this button over here, this is where your customers, once they click on it, they will be directed to their, their abandoned checkouts. And from there, they can actually proceed to place order, complete the placing, right? So once you click on the reminder, this email will be sent to customers as well, right? Besides only the templates, of course, you can also change the subject line as well as the email. Okay, so that is option one. Option two is over here, is whereby, as you can see, you can actually copy this link, right? So in cases where you can, like this one example, you have the mobile number, the phone number of these customers, right? So what you can do is you can copy this link, right? Maybe you SMS or WhatsApp or even use Messenger to actually contact these customers and send this link to your customers and ask them to actually come back and buy from you, right, to complete the purchase, right? So basically, this is how you can actually, in these two options, this is how you can actually recover back your lost sales from your customers, right? So other than that, of course, if this is the manual way on how you can actually recover back your sales, or you can actually wait 24 hours for the system to actually send it for you, right? We actually have an automated card recovery. So how you can actually enable it is go to settings over here. Okay, you'll find checkout card over here. Once you press on that, you'll be able to find abandoned checkout section at the bottom, right? So currently, as you can see, it is disabled, right? So basically, once you enable, the reminder email will be sent to customers under abandoned checkouts after 24 hours they created the cards, right? So basically, this is the automated way. Or if you want it to be faster, you can actually send the email immediately after they actually abandon the cards. Okay, so basically that is how you can actually use abandoned checkouts to do a lost sales recovery. Okay?